Hello dear students, this is the next exercise of our course. The course number is Agro 3612. This is the exercise number 10. Title of this exercise is STCR, Technique for Fertilizer Recommendation for Targeted Yield. Okay, STCR means long form of STCR is soil test crop response, that is called as STCR. Soil test crop response means STCR. Okay, before the sowing of crop or planting of crop, the soil is analyzed, chemically analyzed, which nutrient is present in soil, that is called as soil test crop response. Okay, and soil test crop response means it is a approach is aiming, the main aim of this approach or this STCR is to obtaining a basis for precise quantitative adjustment of fertilizer doses under varying soil test values and response condition of the farmers and for targeted levels of crop production. These are the tested in follow-up verification by field trials to backup soil testing laboratories for their advisory purpose under the specific soil, crop and agroclimatic conditions. The fertilizers are recommended based on the following criteria. This is recommended on the basis of criteria are fertilizer recommendation based on regression analysis approach, and second one is a recommendation for certain percentage of maximum yield. Okay, first see this is the site specific nutrient management. It is also called as soil test crop response or site specific nutrient management. The means to apply the fertilizer to the crops when it's need. Okay, generally farmers apply all type of fertilizers like nitrogenous, phosphorus and potassic fertilizers at the time of sowing. Okay, in the STCR approach, before the sowing of crops, the soil is tested, and after testing the soils, the absent nutrient is only applied to that crop. Okay, this is called as site specific nutrient management. Feeding crop needs only necessary nutrients which are absent in soil, only that these nutrients are applied to the crops. In first steps, establish a yield target the total needs. Okay, first you have to establish the yield target after using these fertilizers. Okay, you have to set or fix the target of that crop, yield target of that crop. Then step 2, effectively use existing nutrients, means you have to use the organic manures, crop residue, FIM, vermicompost. Okay, effectively use or more use of these organic manures. And in third steps, after using the organic manures, then you have to use the inorganic fertilizers. These are used in if the deficiency is observed, then you have to apply the inorganic fertilizers. Okay, this is the site specific nutrient management or soil test crop response approach. The introduction, the STCR study based on the soil test. Okay, in STCR means study based on the soil test or based fertilizer recommendation. Okay, after checking the soil, then you have to recommend the fertilizers to that crop should be carried out to develop quantitative basis for calculating the profit maximizing dose of fertilizers based on soil test for any crop. Okay, due to the STCR approach, it saved or it reduced the excessive use of the fertilizers. Okay, after checking or after analyzing the soils, the absent nutrients only you have to apply the crops. Okay, due to that it save the time, it save the cost and increase the yield of crops. So it is beneficial or it is advantageous to the farmers because it increases the yield of crop and efficiently or effectively use of the nutrients which are available or which are present in the soil. What is soil test crop response? Okay, it is a rapid chemical analysis to access available nutrient status of the soil. It is a chemical analysis process in which the in which it access the available nutrient or present nutrient in the soil, and includes interpretation, evaluation and fertilizer recommendation based on the result of chemical analysis and other consideration. After analysis or after chemical analysis of the soil, the absent or present nutrients, and after that absent nutrients are applied to the crops as per the fertilizer recommendation. A chemical method for estimating the nutrient supplying capacity of a soil. The chemical method is a capacity of soil for supplying the nutrients to the crop. It can determine the soil nutrient status before a crop is planted. Okay. STCR, soil test crop response, or soil nutrient status is determined before the growing or before the sowing of crop. The objectives of STCR, the main objective of STCR to study the relationship between nitrogenous, phosphorus, potassium fertilizers and yield response to the important crops, to derive yield targeting equation for important crops for making fertilizer recommendation, or to evaluate various soil test method for their suitability under the field condition, or to evaluate the extent to which fertilizer needs of crop can be reduced in relation with consecutive use of organic manures. These are the 4 main objectives of soil test crop response: to study the relationship between different fertilizers or nutrients with different crops. Then these are the 4 main objectives of soil test crop response. Also, to prescribe the fertilizer doses for a given crop based on a soil test values to achieve the targeted yield. Targeted yield means fixed yield which are fixed before the sowing of crop or at the time of sowing of crop in a specific soil climatic regions under irrigation or protective irrigation conditions, by using the mathematical equations or by using the mathematical formulas for different crops and different soils in different agroclimatic zones separately. This takes into consideration the efficiency of utilization of soil and added fertilizer nutrients by crops and nutrient requirements for crop at desired yield level. Then see the next approach, that is targeted yield approach. Okay, targeted yield approach means targeted yield concept. It is an approach comes under the soil test crop response. It is a approach which comes under the STCR. For obtaining a given yield, a definite quantity of the nutrients must be taken up by the crop. Once this requirement is known for a given yield, means the fertilizer recommendation for the crop, the requirement of fertilizer can be estimated by taking into account efficiency of the soil available nutrient pool and that of fertilizer requirement. Okay. In the soil test crop response, first soil is analyzed, then only absent nutrients are applied to the crops. Okay. These are the soil test based recommendation, but gives for different yield goals and not for a single optimum yield level. A large variety of fertilizer prescription have been made available by putting soil test values into certain mathematical equations and finding out the amounts of nutrients needed for a given yield target. That is called as targeted yield concept or targeted yield approach. The concept of STCR is the main or STCR approach is aiming at obtaining a basis for precise quantitative adjustment of fertilizer doses under varying soil test values and response for targeted level of crop production. It provides the relationship between soil test value and crop yield. These are also tested in follow-up verification by field trials to back up the soil testing laboratories for their advisory purpose under a specific soil, crop and different agroclimatic conditions. Methods of STCR, there are 2 methods, that is gradient experiment method and the second one is test crop experiment method. The condition for yield targeting equation. For the yield targeting, some conditions are available. First condition, that is used for similar soil of a particular agroeco regions. Maximum target should not exceed between 75 to 80%. Okay, target should not be exceeds its between 75 to 80% of a highest yield achieved for the crop in the area. The fertilizer nitrogenous or nitrogen recommendation for legumes should be same as the general dose of the crop of the area. Okay, nitrogenous fertilizer also same for the pulse crops or legume crops. These are the some conditions for yield targeting equations. Then STCR approach for precision agriculture. Okay, STCR, use of STCR in precision agriculture. Under a normal condition, recommended soil sampling procedure is to take samples from a portion of field are no more than 20 acres in area. First you have to collect the sample from the field, and the sample is no more than 20 acres in area. Then grid soil sampling uses the same principles of soil sampling, but increases the intensity of sampling. Grid the soil sample, but you have to increase the intensity of that samples. The goal of grid soil sampling is to generate a map of nutrient requirement called as application map. The goal of grid of the soil sampling to make a map of a nutrient requirement to that crop. That map is called as application map. Application map is loaded into computer mounted on variable rate fertilizer spreader. These are the some approaches for precision agriculture. Okay. This is the exercise number 10. The title of this exercise is soil test crop response. Okay, STCR, soil test crop response approach and targeted yield. Okay, soil test crop response means before the sowing of crops, the soil is soil is analyzed or determined chemically, and absent nutrients, only absent nutrients are applied to the crops for increasing the production of that crops or for reducing the cost of fertilizers, and due to that it increases the yield of crops, also it increases the net profit or net returns of the farmers. Okay, this is the main aim of this exercise, that is STCR, soil test crop response, or it is also called as site specific nutrient management. Okay, thank you.